Warning. An anime-style male with a black notebook is roaming the streets of Hickman, Nebraska. He kills anyone in his way. Stay inside. Warning, more information about this male has come out. We have determined that this male's name is Light Yagami. Light Yagami will kill anyone in his way. School and Halloween festivities are postponed due to this situation. If you see him, do not make eye contact with him. Warning, Light Yagami has taken over 88% of the planet. There's nothing we can do to stop him. The end of the world we once knew is near. A new and scary era is coming soon.